reserve the right.
From this hilltop cemetery, you can see the beach is right down below. It looks about a quarter of a mile, and this very well may have been a battlefield where the dead were buried. The Allied received the victory with huge losses of 43,000 that died in the campaign. The Allied forces were advancing towards Rome to take Rome, which they did. This operation was given to Churchill to manage and operate. Operation Shingle. Heather, wow, you got Heather.
I did.
That is so cool. What are the odds of that in Italy?
That's what I was hoping for, and I didn't think they'd have it, but they did.
That is so cool. Of course, heather is the national flower of Scotland. Haha.
Next to the thistle.
Yeah. I wonder who put the inscription on.
Loved and remembered always until we meet again. Most likely his wife.
Oh, yeah.
Ruth.
Wow.
Now, we're bringing a little bit of Scotland to him. Heather on the hills. And in the glen.
Now, this was your mother's brother.
My mother's beloved brother.
Older or younger?
Older. Her older brother. And
How old would she have been, your mother?
during the war,
A teenager, probably.
she would have been about 24, I believe, when he passed on,
Right.
when he was killed in the battle. She was 24, he was 27, and although I'd never got to meet him, she passed the memory of love unto us.
Why is this so significant to you?
Just the stories my mom would tell, the pictures that she showed us,
The pictures of him?
and the love she had for him,
The love your mom had for him.
and the fact that he left a wife, Auntie Ruth, and a son, Hugh, a very young little toddler. We never got to see his
To raise him.
after that.
Yeah. And what part of Scotland was he living in? Was he from
Well, he
Aberdeen?
actually had moved from Scotland, from Angus, down to Moulton, England. And I believe that's where he met my Auntie Ruth and married her, and was in the Scots Guards and assigned down there for being
Representing the
to
Scots.
Anzio, Scots Guards. And my mom would take us back to Scotland. She would always visit her parents' graves.
Said all over ever since I was.
Ever since I was 9 years old, and every time my mom took us to Scotland, to see the grandparents when they were alive, and then when they passed on, we would visit their graves, and she would always bring some sort of plant to be able to leave by the graveside.
But not this one, the ones in Scotland.
The ones in Scotland.
Yeah.
Right. She was never able to come to Anzio.
And Granny would be his mother.
Granny Heatherwick.
Yeah.
Sarah Heatherwick, his mother. And Alexander, also named after, this Alexander's named after Grandpa.
After his dad.